Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Camry's maintenance light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer is showing the total mileage, not a trip meter. Then, turn the ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the reset sequence. Now, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While keeping it pressed, turn the ignition back to the on position. You will see a series of dashes appear on the odometer display. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds until the dashes disappear and the odometer reads 0. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once the odometer displays 0, you can release the trip meter reset button. Turn the ignition completely off again. Then, turn it back to the on position or even start the engine to confirm the reset. The maintenance required light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If it remains on, repeat the steps carefully. Remember, this reset procedure should only be performed after you have completed the necessary maintenance on your Toyota Camry. The light serves as a reminder for service, not just a random indicator. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific variations or additional information. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.